It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey. Looking good in a minivan has never been so easy. Slipping through the wind will feel just as effortless with the power of a V6 iVTEC engine and the sharp aerodynamic body with a rear spoiler to top it off. With all that power comes the responsibility to keep your family safe, and this Honda has the ability to do it with a rear-view camera, multiple airbags, and vehicle stability assist with traction control. A full load of people travel comfortably with wide-mode second-row seats and active noise cancellation. The functionality of latch seating in the second and third row and the flexibility to carry cargo with the third-row Magic Seat make this minivan an easy choice for family transportation.
Set it and forget it with the climate control. With HomeLink, one touch makes your arrival as welcoming as if you'd never left. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Super functional, ultra flexible, and the perfect collaborator every day. Take this Odyssey home today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. At Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg, conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.